Millions of years ago, Panama emerged from the oceans in the center of the world to connect the countries of the American continent and to serve humanity. The cultural and ethnic diversity of our country makes it a unique tourist destination filled with interesting attractions. Only a short distance separates the two oceans that bathe the shores of Panama, allowing you the singular experience of eating breakfast on the Caribbean coast and then dining on the Pacific, all in the same day.
Panama is a land of opportunity where we provide good health and public education to our children and youth. We lead the region in technology, providing free access to both Panamanians and visitors.
Panama is one of the world's most stable economies, underpinned by the large investment in infrastructure to expand the Panama Canal and build new international airports, which attracts multinational banks and major companies.
Nuestra capital es una mezcla de culturas, ritmos y sabores, que sumada a nuestros sitios turísticos, la convierten en una ciudad ideal por disfrutar.
In this city, business and pleasure always go hand in hand. Skyscrapers tower over the financial center, the region's biggest and one of the largest in the world, in stark contrast with the legendary Old Town, a World Heritage Site that draws tourists and residents alike to its restaurants, bars, and handicrafts. The capital city is alive both day and night. The activities put on by the most prestigious international hotel and casino chains are just part of the entertainment options in this cosmopolitan city. Panama is truly a shopping paradise, stocking the most famous global brands in modern shopping centers, but at prices you won't find anywhere else. Amid this exciting metropolis stand the ruins of Old Panama, the first city built by the Spanish on the Pacific coast nearly 500 years ago. Its proximity to a rainforest provides daily opportunities for adventure and outdoor activities. Panama City is also home to the Panama Canal, recognized as the 8th modern engineering wonder of the world, where visitors can have the unforgettable experience of boarding a boat to cross the canal or of simply watching the ships pass by. In nearby Amador, the new convention center is taking shape in the form of a harpy eagle, the national bird. This world-class facility will provide the city with an additional venue to host major international events under high standards of technology and sustainability. Next door is the Biodiversity Museum, designed by the renowned architect Frank Gehry to show how Panama contributed to the world as a bridge of life. 8 galleries narrate the origin of the Isthmus of Panama and its enormous impact on the planet's biodiversity. The expansion of the Tocumen International Airport solidifies Panama as the hub of the Americas and a highly accessible country. The largest logistics and connectivity platform on the continent greets passengers on more than 1,100 weekly non-stop flights from diverse destinations.